Hey everyone, for today's video, I'm going to guide you on how to fix buzzing sound on a laptop. First, check the fan and ventilation. Dust buildup can cause the fan to work harder and create noise. Use compressed air to clean the vents and fans to improve airflow and reduce noise. Second, inspect internal components. A loose hard drive, faulty speakers, or a failing cooling fan can cause buzzing. If you're comfortable, open the laptop and check for any loose components. Secure or replace any faulty parts if needed. Third, update audio drivers. Click the search bar, type Device Manager, and open it. Expound Sound, Video, and Game Controllers. Right-click your speakers and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers to ensure the best one is installed. Adjust sound settings. Open Control Panel. Go to Hardware and Sound, then select Sound. In the Recording tab, find your microphone, double-click it, and go to the Lesson tab. Ensure Listen to this device is unchecked.